In order to add me or my agency to your Facebook Business Manager ads account, you need to make sure that, number one, you have an ads account. When you come to your Facebook page, just like you would normally log in, the easiest thing to do to check that is to just click over here at Ads. If you click that, and it brings you to an ads manager that looks something like this. Let's switch to something else that has a few ads in it. Then you're good to go. And then you proceed to the next video that I've supplied showing how to add me, or frankly my agency, to your ads manager so that we can create ads on your behalf. If you did not come here, then what you'll need to do is go to business.facebook.com. To create your Facebook Business Manager and ad account, you'll need to come to this page here. Just click Create Account. It'll ask you to log into your profile. Once you do that, then you can continue in the prompts. Once you've completed the prompts, go to the second video that I've supplied showing you how to add my agency as a partner to your ads account.